DJI has just unveiled a brand new drone globally. The brand is renowned for its drone, and the latest model arrives as its lightest and smallest drone yet. The DJI Neo packs some impressive features despite its ultra-compact form factor. So here are all the details. Weighing just 135 grams, the DJI Neo is the lightest drone from the company. Apart from its form factor, another notable aspect is the support for AI subject tracking. It also comes with 6 shooting modes, namely Dronie, Circle, Rocket, Spotlight, Helix, and Boomerang. Users can even use their voice controls to wake the DJI Fly app. The drone can be used via the virtual joysticks on the Fly app with a total control range of up to 50 meters. The DJI Neo features a 1.2-inch 12-megapixel sensor to capture stills with support for 4,000 video recording at 30 fps. Pairing it with the DJI RC-N3, one can achieve a maximum video transmission distance of 10 kilometers. DJI's latest drone can also be used with DJI Goggles, an RC Motion 3, and FPV Remote Controller 3. The lightweight drone can take off from the palm of your hand. Its 22 GB internal storage can hold up to 40 minutes of 40K at 30 fps videos or 55 minutes of 1080p at 60 fps videos. The DJI Neo drone employs an infrared and monocular vision positioning system and even has a return-to-home feature. DJI's mini drone has level 4 wind resistance, up to 18 minutes of flight time, multiple control options, full coverage propeller guards, and quickshot support. The DJI drone has officially been announced in the global market for a price tag of $199. It is available in a bundle that groups a bunch of useful accessories like 3 batteries and a USB Type-C charging hub with the DJI Neo drone for just $289.